Hello Internet, and welcome to a short update. In my last video I believe I showed this and talked about sort of the next step. And that was the roof. So I've made some progress on the roof and it fits nicely on there. And what I noticed when I put the roof on was that it kind of hides the face a lot. So I started thinking that maybe I want to move the head forward to about here. But that wouldn't be possible because the piece underneath ends here somewhere. So you got me thinking, and I realized that I needed to redo the pieces underneath. So that's why the roof isn't finished, because I started working on the other pieces. So this is the hip. I just cut this out there, and this is the piece that goes over it, and you see I made this little thing so we can fit something like this. Something like this. And then this can sit on top. Like so. I like this. I like this a lot. Sort of remember how I talked about these two flat surfaces were just so flat and boring, and I wasn't sure how I could detail them to make them look better. Well, now they're not flat and boring. Now this sort of adds a new dimension to this piece, and I really like this. I'm well pleased with how this turned out. And now that this piece here is done in this way, I realize it's much easier to fill in this gap, because I might even fill in, sort of make an archway over here or something. Yeah, we'll see. Something. The archway would close off, sort of. I don't have to detail the inside here so much, and yeah, we'll see. I like this though. I think this was an improvement. So I'm happy that I got sidetracked. It's taken me quite a bit of time to get these pieces done nicely to fit the way they do now. And now that those pieces are done, I can go back to finishing the roof. Notice how I also, in my last video, I was talking about sort of putting these here, but I realized that it was very nice to have this fit so nicely, since these are sort of the original way it's supposed to fit. I thought that was nice, and this puts the guy that pops out of here, puts him more towards the middle, which I also like. So that's what's happened so far. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, just leave a comment below. And thank you for watching, Internet. Goodbye.